The review by G-Man on pesticides. Let's see what Bantian brings today. Is pesticides.
Legend with Lip 2 unboxing.
This time I didn't get it. Unboxing and letting the family down. Maybe I wasn't standing high enough. Although I have a lot of Honor fans, unfortunately, it's useless. Everyone, please bear with it after all. You get used to it after a while. I have to say, this phone case looks quite exquisite. Compared to previous Honor phone cases, it is indeed more refined. Look at these white lines. Let's start disassembling. I have to say, this box is really exquisite. Upon opening, the phone itself is right in front of you. This one I have is in space grey colour, but it's not our main focus right now. Let's continue and take a look at the accessories. The charger is 80 watts, which is clearly much stronger than the competitor's 50. Next, we need to look at its phone case, because for a foldable screen, the phone case is crucial, otherwise dropping it would be really heartbreaking. Finally got it open, let's take a look. The top and bottom are both transparent plastic shells, very lightweight, with tape attached on the side. After understanding the basic accessories, let's take a look at the phone itself. The whole phone feels quite premium in hand. Let's peel off the protective film and take a look. It's unfortunate again that I didn't get the custom edition. However, this space grey colour is quite textured. Personally, I think among these four colours, this colour is the most exquisite and high-end. If your aesthetic is like mine. Next, we proceed with our first ever fold. However, you should note that this crease is indeed very shallow. The folding feel, in my opinion, is quite good. Holding the entire phone in your hand, you can see it has right angle edges, which makes the whole device feel very premium. Of course, the downside, as I mentioned before, is that it can be a bit uncomfortable to hold. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this right angle design. This time, Honor's rear screen, as always, fully covers the top black screen, combined with the integrated rear cover design below. This space grey is really nice and should be the most suitable among the four colours for us men to use. The bearing part also has the Honor logo, isn't it exquisite? As for fingerprint unlocking, it uses side fingerprint unlocking, after all with two screens inside and out. If you want to control the thickness and weight of the body, side fingerprint unlocking is undoubtedly the more suitable solution. Opening the device, you can see that the frame is indeed not very narrow and the overall screen ratio is still somewhat slender. After folding, the outer screen is very large, which should be great for selfies since the main camera is the selfie lenses. The external screen can also be used as a regular phone in daily life, which means you get an ultra mini phone. Isn't that appealing? Let's measure the weight here. It usually weighs more than the official weight because there are two films attached inside and out. We can see the weight is 205 grams. Then, drop the front and back protective cases to take a look. 7.6 grams adding up to about 222 grams. This weight is okay.
Let's summarize in the end. I've shown you everything I can say and show for now, and you should all understand. For more specifics, you'll have to wait for my future videos for a detailed analysis, as there are official requirements.
Overall, this phone is very suitable for young girls, and there have been significant improvements in texture and many other aspects. Alright, that's the end of today's video. Bye everyone.
Moonlight comes from the sky, reaching the pinnacle of splendor.
Brothers, give me a follow.